Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Claudia. I invite you to hit that subscribe button so you too can be part of our family. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious pizza pockets. They're seriously super easy to make and everyone enjoys them. So in case you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our pizza dough. So in a bowl, we're going to add 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. So we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, and to that we're going to add 1 packet of instant yeast, we're going to add 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of water. So just with your clean hand, mix it all together. So just make sure that your water is nice and warm. And we're also going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're just going to incorporate all of our ingredients together. Okay, so once everything has incorporated together, okay, so now we're going to knead for 4 minutes or until our dough is nice and soft. Okay, so after 4 minutes, our dough should be nice and soft. All right, so we're going to grab a little bit of olive oil on our hands, just like that. So rub it together, and now we're going to rub it on our dough. And just kind of rotate it as you're rubbing it. Okay, so once we have our dough ready, we're going to return it back to our bowl. Okay, we're going to cover it with plastic wrap, then our kitchen towel. And we're going to allow it to rest for about 1 hour to 1 hour and a half or until our dough doubles in size. Okay, so after 1 hour and a half, this is what our dough should look like. Okay, so we're going to remove the plastic wrap and get our dough out of the bowl. Okay. And now we're just going to divide our dough into 6 pieces. Or of course, if you want to make more pizza pockets, then just cut them smaller. So just grab your knife to cut it in half. And now we're going to rub olive oil on our hands, so just a little bit. And we're going to form our balls of dough. So just like that, it prevents the dough from drying out. Okay, so now we're just going to cover our dough and we're going to begin to get everything ready so we can make our pizza pockets. So I'm going to begin to grate my mozzarella cheese. And just make sure that you don't use pre-shredded cheese. So like that, your pockets don't taste powdery. Okay, so once we have our cheese ready, now we're going to preheat our oven to 445 degrees. Okay, so we're also going to get our baking sheet ready. So add a little bit of olive oil. And just spread it. Okay, so now we're just going to set it to the side. Okay guys, so I'm going to be stuffing my pizza pockets with mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, pepperonis, black olives, jalapenos. Okay, so we're going to brush them with olive oil and Italian seasoning. So once we have everything ready, now we can begin to make our pizza pockets. Okay, so we're going to grab our ball of dough and we're going to begin to stretch it out. So just make sure that you don't stretch it too thin. Okay, so I like to pull from the center. And then once I get to the edge, just roll it out. Okay, so once we have it rolled out, we're going to begin to add our pizza sauce. And I like to add about 2 tablespoons. Just spread it. Just make sure that you don't put it too close to the edge. Now we're going to add our cheese. And you add as much as you want. We're going to add our pepperonis. And just have your kids help you and they will have a lot of fun. And on mine, I'm going to add jalapenos. Okay, I'm going to create 3 slits on the opposite side. And now we're just going to close. Okay, you could just pull your dough and then press the edge. So like that, they're still together. Okay, and I like to thin out the edge so like that I can fold it in. So I just go to the top and roll it in and press it down. Okay, now we're just going to brush it with olive oil. And we're going to sprinkle our Italian seasoning. Okay, we're going to grab our pizza pocket and place it on our greased baking sheet. And just make sure that you cover it while we work on the rest of our pizza pockets. Okay, so we're gonna have little Mr. Gio make his own pizza pocket. So you ready? Go ahead. Okay, go ahead. Maybe more than that. They all have so much fun making this. This is for your cheese. And he's like me, he loves cheese. Add more! Don't be shy! Okay, so pepperonis. Now your olives. He loves olives. And you eat some while you're making it too. Why not, right? You're gonna make another one? Okay. Are you done?
Yeah.
That's it?
Just
One handful, okay. Wait, are you gonna... Okay, and now for the fun part. And I'm just going to stretch a little bit of the other side because he didn't give me enough room. It's okay. Okay, close it. Okay, so just press it down and just seal it. So brush the olive oil, our Italian seasoning. And if you don't have Italian seasoning, you can use oregano, parsley, just whatever herbs you got. Okay, so grab it and let's transfer it. Make sure you cover it. Okay guys, so once we have our pizza pockets all nice and stuffed, now we are ready to bake them. Alright guys, so we're going to be baking for 12 minutes and we're going to start by baking the first ones that we made. Alright guys, so after 12 minutes, this is what our pizza pockets should look like. As you can see, they're nice and golden. So we're just going to remove them from our pan and allow them to cool down for 10 minutes before serving. And meanwhile, we can continue baking the rest of our hot pockets. Alrighty guys, so after allowing our pizza pockets to sit for 10 minutes, they're nice and soft. So now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part. You ready, huh? I'm ready. So cheers and enjoy. Honestly, the best. How is it? It's already cold, a little colder, huh? But it's still super delicious. Yeah? And they're not all perfect, but you know, that's the beauty of cooking. And the best part is that you get to create memories with your little ones and everybody has fun. The bread, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious pizza pockets. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.